Why did it stop recording? I don't know. How long did it stop recording? I'm going to have to start again. There's the iris. And the lilac Greg gave me when it was only 6 inches tall is now 12 feet or more. And hoping to join it. Well, I got 3 different kinds of iris here. This is Grandma Moore's iris. Another one. And these are the early purple iris. Very pretty, and they have a nice, lovely smell. All this is going to be a big flower bed here to join with other flower beds. I'm working on it. We've got all different colored iris here. And then on the other side of the road, we have all those new irises. We have, these are a big clump of lilies. Those were daffodils. And more lilies. And pretty purple stuff that I have also along the road. And pink. Who doesn't love a little pink? It's nice. And, oh, these are pretty. These become dormant at night. And then during the day, they open up. And I have a ring rose around the house. And one more time, in case a new iris is going to go where this bag is. And I'll continue up just a little bit. So all the way down here with the new ground phlox. And so we have this entry bed along with, as we walk backwards, don't forget the highlight of coming down is going to be this beautiful redwood tree that Sadie helped me plant. And hopefully one day she can sit underneath it, read a book, and think of old Grandpa. The old homestead, big old oak trees. And this archery fir tree must be 300 foot tall. These are smoke bushes. Down below the smoke bushes are a couple hundred tulips. And I see the weeds have already taken place. Tulips were coming out this year, would look pretty nice. New project is flowers for the mailman. We got tulips, hyacinths, and we're going to make it bright and cheery. So he'll enjoy bringing us the mail every day. No mail yet. And the cement truck is trying to always... Yeah! It's the daily rag. Yes. Should read the daily rag every day. So you know what's going on in the world. And here we go back down the road. Doop, 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 doop. A light rain falling. I'm going to extend all along here so these can have a little room to grow. And I'm going to take some of the coneflowers and these spiky purple things and move those around a little bit. Again, what a marvelous display this will be. We have purple and salmon and the wonderful redbud tree. And all along here we have different colored ground phlox and the big purple spiky things. And this is a wonderful plant that's going to surprise you. Each year it has different colors, and the yellow is going to bloom. I transplanted those over there, and the multicolored purple is just delightful. And of course, yuccas. Could be called yucca acres. There we are. Cleaning all that up, and then all along here I'm going to continue down with the flowers and clean this back up. One time, believe it or not, it was all clean. Oh, we just love those salmon. They are delightful. And as previously noted, a poison ivy is creeping into my creeping phlox. That can't happen. I'm going to grab it. There it was. I tried to grab it yesterday, but it wouldn't go. So I need to get some. And these are nice. These close up at night, and then in the daytime, they come out. And here at the bend of the drive are a little different colored peony. They have a white center. And of course I've got to get rid of the poison. And these are new Rose of Sharon I planted a couple days ago. I have about 20 more Rose of Sharon I'm going to plant today. All along here. Asian honeysuckles, out of here. And fruit trees, nut trees. We have nuts, besides yours truly. And let's just take a look here. This is Ohio's buckeye tree. And there we are. These are going to be buckeyes. Ooh, there they are. They're the first to flower. And the first in the fall to turn brown and die. And this is a shagbark hickory nuts. And of course we have lots of big old oak trees. They've been here for 500 years, perhaps, or more. And they have the acorns. And then down here we have a little bit here and everywhere we have walnuts. So all kinds of nuts. And I was looking at, I think I might plant a chestnut tree. There in my mother-in-law's farm, my childhood dog is buried under an actual American chestnut tree. Hosta here. Lots of daffodils are recharging and getting ready for next year. Big field of daffodils all the way back to the woods. Hopefully we'll be around next fall to plant another couple thousand throughout the woods. And this is a field of hosta we need to baby. There used to be just wall-to-wall hosta here, and they bloom in August in beautiful white blooms. The deer love them. I've caught the deer grazing in them. But with a little bit of help, we can make them come back. And along here we have big hyacinths. They've had their day along with the daffodils. And we have little iris. Love it. And little trees here need to go. We'll have some, lilies. And maybe sometimes some grandchildren. That would be great. We'll allow it. Here we go. And we have yucca row here. We got a nice yucca coming up there. We have lilies and yucca, and a new hydrangea plant, and of course hostas, an old hydrangea plant, more, and this is new. This is, I have high hopes. This is a yellow peony, and here are white peonies. And of course we have roses, lots of roses. And Dad and Grandfather planted this holly. Yeah. And we have lilies and hosta. Oh my. And whoop, 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 whoop. Another. And we have bluebells and everything up there. Oh, and we have a chipmunk right there. And, oop, lily. Yeah, a special lily my daughter Dorothy gave me. That's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then here's some yellow tall lilies and some more yellow tall lilies. And these are small yellow tall yellow lilies and hostas. And some late blooming hyacinths. And these are the new field of hyacinths. Tall phlox. And let's wrap this up with work I've been doing today. There is my mother-in-law's rhubarb. Lots of it. She had a ton of it all around her croaking frog pond across from the Civil War Cemetery outside Mifflin, Ohio. And here's the Wigeria that I need to, my gosh, the weeds are in there. We have pink and dark red and another color of red here. And here are, last but not least, oh my gosh, we got, everywhere you go there's iris. And way down in the old homestead, we have those different colored iris that are taking over the whole observation post. And there are the lovely peonies and grandfathers. Oh, you see, I'm going to add all these grandfathers, these iris up top and around. These are grandfathers canna lilies. They're 100 years old. And I also have some from St. Paul's and St. Joseph's. So it should be a nice, and it's going to hide the gas meter. Good job. And my entry, these smell marvelous. Iris are pretty. These iris are unique, and they have a most delightful aroma. And there's that ring of pink that will come out when the sun comes out. It hides every night. And of course, here's the projects for the day. All these empty things I'm going to fill with flowers. Why are all those things around? I'm going to fill them with flowers. And then I'd like to put a little place here to get some nice big cement tiles and make a little patio here so I can watch the grandchildren if they come. And of course, here is the short lilac and some more flowers. And of course, a little bit of pink would help. And check this out. Here we are at the North Woods with all of the, and there goes that chipmunk. We got one peony here. I was going to transplant this. It actually blooms. It only blooms every couple of years. It's a little bit too dark here. They like the sun. And way into the distance here, you can see we have daffodils. New daffodils planted. And this is a memorial buckeye tree for my brother-in-law Terry. It looks like another beautiful day. Thank you, God.